Hey everybody, Devin Tryan here, local real estate agent on Oahu. Today I'm sitting with my good friend Karl Smith, who is also a mortgage banker who works with Citywide Home Loans, and they actually have a very interesting product, a construction loan, and they're the only people on island that offer it. So I wanted to sit down with him today, find out what is this construction loan, who is it for, what is it for, and why should we even use one. So thank you for sitting with us, Karl. Tell us a little bit more about this product.
Well, thank you, Devin.
Yeah.
So our construction loan is very unique to the island. We brought it over probably about a year and a half ago, and it's based upon construction lending methods that we use on the mainland, but it's tailored for this island specifically, or for the Hawaiian Islands. And so what we can do is we can lend high loan to value or a lot of money in comparison to the future value of the home. A lot of construction lenders, what they do is they will lend money based upon the cost to build versus the improved cost after the construction is done. So in some cases, you can get a construction loan without bringing any money into closing.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Wow. And who would this really benefit?
So it would benefit anybody that is looking to buy a piece of ground and build their home to their specifications, or people that have older homes that they want to renovate and make new. In some cases, even graze them, completely knock them down and build a new home on the property. Yes.
So somebody could either come in and basically purchase a vacant lot, get the funding for that lot, and then also the funding for the home itself?
Yes, for the construction loan at the same time.
Wow,
yes.
That's amazing. And then somebody who also, maybe they have an older property, it's a little bit dated, and they're ready to turn into something new, they can go to you, get a loan for the whole construction or renovation, whether it's for $10,000 or $400,000, is that right?
Well, let me give you a real life example.
Okay.
So we're doing some work up in Manoa right now. And so we've had a family up there, or one of the projects, we've had a family up there that have owned their home for about 30 years.
Wow.
What they're doing is they're bringing their kids to come live with them and also their grandchildren. And so what they want to do is build out the home and make it new for the expansion in their family.
Sure.
So what we've done is we've given them about $900,000. They're grazing their home completely, and they're starting from the ground up to build a new one. The appraisal came in, the construction appraisal. We base that up on the cost breakdown and the value of the ground and comparables around the area that sell. That came in for $1.5 million. Wow. And so we were able to give them the whole $900,000 without bringing any money into closing.
Anything, yeah.
Yeah,
Just like that.
and so they're thrilled. Also, our construction loan, the way we have it set up is we do what's called an interest reserve, in which the client doesn't have a payment throughout the construction period.
Really?
Yeah. And so that helps them. So in this example, they have to move out of the home, of course, because it's being torn down, and they have to find a place to rent, or have found a place to rent, and that's an additional expense they have. But because they don't have any payment on the construction loan itself, it offsets that additional expense in their life.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
And is this available to anybody that lives here in Hawaii, or does it matter?
Absolutely. So in this particular case, of course, it's somebody that currently owns a home right now that they wanted to tear it down and rebuild.
Sure.
But we also do new home buildings. So if there's a lot that's available that somebody's interested in, we can pay off the lot with the construction loan and give them the construction loan monies to get started on building the home.
Awesome. And if somebody wanted to get started with a project, or maybe even has a few questions, what would be the first place for them to start?
I would recommend calling me.
Okay.
You'll have my information, but I definitely would like to answer any questions or give people some different scenarios of exactly how to make this how to make this happen for them. And also, you can find them the ground.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, Karl. Hey, appreciate it.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.